Hey guys, welcome to PalFXTech Trading. This is Pawan. I'm from Kashipur, Uttarakhand, from India, and I'm a forex trader. As I have added your number in my group. First of all, I really thankful to you that you are being a part of my success. And secondly, friends, first of all, I really apologize that I have added your number in my group without your concern. I have collected your number from several platforms through Google, and still, I really request you, if you don't want to continue with me, if you don't want to avail my services, if you don't want to be a part of success, your own success, then you can just quit from my Google WhatsApp group. And secondly, friends, I'm providing you the account management services, I'm providing you the copy tradings, I'm providing you some educational tips, how to trade, where to trade, and what should be your stop loss and targets. Guys, I'm providing you the free services. If you wish to continue with me, join please continue with my group. And secondly, if you wish to add your family and friends who want to earn from my services, as I have pasted my some success videos in my group, you can watch them, you can really attach them as a part of success. Okay. And secondly, I will I will always thankful to you to be a part of my success. I have some special things, I have some special plans for you. I will discuss it in future. After 2 to 3 weeks, I'll just explore my plans and services to you. First of all, I wish you to I wish you to join with me, with continue with me for some time. You can just observe my signals. I am providing you the best signal in the industry in gold. Okay, where you can earn daily a good profit. A good profit made 1:3, 1:5, even 1:10 is the maximum ratio in a single day. You just continue with me, and you can just feel. You can just when you will enter in the market, you will feel that you are in a good hand. And secondly, I have advised you some tips like, please do not overtrade. Okay, and please keep faith on yourself and your trade, that it is going, you will earn from there. Okay, and do not trail your stop loss in negative side. Like if your stop loss is hitting, then don't be trail it, just let them hit, because it will help you to uh, it will help you to save your money. You will not lose a big amount of money in trailing stop loss. Okay, so please do not trail stop loss in negative side. And secondly, please have patience, because market wants patience, because market traps you. Market will hit your stop losses, and market will try to kick you out from the market. But your knowledge, your patience, and your dedication in the market will help you to grow your capital and your business, your skills. Okay, I really thank you. I really warm welcomes you in my group. Please thank you, and really apologize for those who are added without their concern. I really request you them, please, if you don't want to continue with me, then please exit the group. I really apologize for that. Thank you for being with PalFXTech Trading. Thank you, thanks a lot.